Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure to like and subscribe. So someone asked me in the comments how I do my thumbnails, so I'm going to be showing you how I do my thumbnails. So I use an online thumbnail maker called Canva. It's easy to use and it's free online. So once you get on this website, I recommend you make an account for this because it's going to make it much easier for you. So you go up here to create a design, and then you click on YouTube thumbnail. All right, so these are all the thumbnails that I have created on my channel. This is my most recent one. So how I do these thumbnails, I'll be showing you guys how I do that. So to take pictures of, like guns and myself and all this stuff there, I use this snipping tool that's only on Windows. It's a screen capture. It's only on Windows. So if you don't have a Windows computer, I'll tell you what to do in just a minute. But if you have a Windows computer, you just go on the snipping tool, click on new, and then you can take a picture of anything, like this. Um, you can really take any, so you can just join in the Flag Wars in Roblox or whatever game you want to do, and just go like this, and it takes the picture, and then you just need to save it. Uh, Once you save it, you just drag and drop what you just took into this area here. So I'm going to save this, and then you just drag and drop it, and then it's going to appear here, and then you can adjust the size like this. You can crop it or do this. So if you don't have Windows and you don't have this tool here, so what I recommend you do is you take a screenshot of your whole screen, and once you got the screenshot, you just put it in here, so it's going to be all big, and all you have to do is crop it to the desired point, like so. So say you wanted to you got this whole picture here, and you wanted to zoom in on just say this, so you would just need to crop it like that, like this, like that, and then you can zoom it in all the way like this. So that's how you do that if you're not on Windows. And how I did this thumbnail here, so all I did was import a picture that I took. I put it in here, increase the size, and then I click on the white part here to change the color to black. And then I go under text, and then I add myself some text. So it's the one I use for the Sakura shotgun. So you can just scale this down and open this up to have more room to type. And Sakura shotgun game play. So you just do this to get the whole writing, and then you just crop it all the way down like that. I misspelled Sakura. All right, and then you can move it around, adjust it to your liking, and then to copy it, just click on it, copy, and then align it like that. And how I do my new JMaster logo, I use this. I just delete the text and type in new JMaster, delete that, and scale it down. Duplicate and put it over here. So that's pretty much how I do my thumbnails. To download the thumbnail so that you can drag and drop and put it into whatever video that you're using for to get the picture, go up here to share, click the download, and then it can give you another prompt for other stuff, and then you just click the download button and right here, it's downloading, and then it appears right here. So you can just drag and drop into whatever you want it to appear in. So I just put it in here, and then it just appeared here. So that's how you do that. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in